Go out to Helpa. This is Joshua Juanico, Prevention Health Promotion Specialist with the Pueblo Vacama Health and Wellness Department. I hope you are all doing well, you're all healthy, your families are doing great things and being proactive as we ride this wave. Feeling well, doing great, doing well from home, working remotely. Today I do have a special guest, my daughter Ellianna. She is going to be sharing her recipe for strawberry salsa and cinnamon tortilla chips. Enjoy.
For your tortillas too big, you're going to start the salsa by cutting your strawberry. First you're going to cut it in half, and the other way, so your strawberry is in fourths. We're just going to cut across. Before you do this task, it's very important to wash your hands. After you wash your hands, you're going to add your strawberries to it. Next, you're going to measure out a teaspoon of vanilla. Then you're going to add in a teaspoon of butter. Then you just take out one faucet. Next, you're going to add a teaspoon of sugar. Then you're just going to mix it all together. You're going to add your sugar and sprinkle in cinnamon. You're going to add a teaspoon of sugar. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sprinkles of cinnamon. Again, before you mix your stuff, make sure that you wash your hands. For the next step, you're going to mix the cinnamon and the sugar with the chips so that the whole chips are covered with sugar and cinnamon.
Now to try the finished product. Ellianna? Two thumbs up. We hope you like this video. Please follow us for more recipes. We'll see you soon. Bye.